Hello friends, welcome to my channel online and website. Today we discuss geothermal energy applications, advantages and their disadvantages के बारे में हम लोग स्टडी आउट करेंगे। तो सबसे पहले हम बात करते हैं जियोथर्मल एनर्जी के बारे में। तो इन ऑर्डर टू हार्नेस द जियोथर्मल एनर्जी a hydrothermal convection system is used. In this process, a hole is drilled deep under the earth through the which a pipe is inserted. The steam tapped in the rock is routed through this pipe to the surface of the earth. The steam is then used to turn the blades of a turbine of an electric generator. In another method, the steam is used to heat water from an external sources which is used to rotate the turbine. Next, what are the applications? Applications की बात करते हैं तो जनरेशन ऑफ इलेक्ट्रिसिटी और जियोथर्मल पावर प्लांट्स आर यूजली इंस्टॉल्ड विद इन द 2 mile radius of the geothermal reserve, or the steam from these reserves is either directly used to rotate the turbine of an electrical generator या issued to heat water within which then produce the steam for the process. First, that is your farming. In cold countries, geothermal energy is used to heat greenhouses or the heat water that is used for irrigation. Second, industry. Geothermal energy is used in industry for the purpose of food dehydration, milk pasteurizing, gold mining, etc. And the third one, that is your heating. Geothermal energy is used to heat building through distinct heating system in which the hot water through the spring is directly transported to the buildings through pipelines. What are the advantages? These are the applications. These are 3 applications for farming, industry and heating. And what are the advantages of geothermal energy resources? The first, that is your renewable resource. Geothermal is a free and abundant, and the constant flow of heat from the earth makes this source inexhaustible and limitless to an estimated time span of 4 billion years. Second, that is green energy. Geothermal energy is a non-polluting and environment friendly, as no harmful gases are evolved with the use of geothermal energy. Unlike the use of fossil fuels, also no residue या byproduct is generated. Generation of employment. Geothermal power plants are highly sophisticated and involve large scale reach before installation. This generates employment for skilled and unskilled labor at a very large scale at each stage of production and management. Another advantage, that is can be used directly in cold countries, and the geothermal energy is used directly for the melting of ice on the roads, heating houses in winters, greenhouses, public baths, etc. Although the initial cost of installations is very high and the cost of maintenance and repair is negligible. The next one, हम लोग बात करेंगे डिसएडवांटेजेस के बारे में. What are the disadvantages? Transportation and transmission. Unlike fossil fuels, geothermal energy cannot be transported easily. Once the tapped energy is harnessed, it can only be used efficiently in the nearby areas. Also, within the transmission, there are the chance of emission of toxic gases getting released into the atmosphere. High installation cost. The installation of the geothermal power plants to get steam from deep under the earth requires a huge investment in the terms of materials and human resources. Intensive research required before the setting up a plant. Extensive research is required, as the sites can be run out of steam over a period of time due to the drop in the temperature as a result of excessive or irregular supply of inlet water. Next, limited to particular regions, the source of geothermal energy is available in limited regions, some of which are highly inaccessible, such as a high rise of mountains and rocky territories. which renders the process economically infeasible in many of the cases. Impact of the environment. Geothermal sites are present deep under the earth, so the process of the drilling may be result in the release of highly toxic gases into the environment near these sites, which sometimes prove fatal to the workforce involved in the process. Thanks for watching and sharing.